In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a template in Elementor. Let's dive right in. We'll begin our journey at your website's WordPress dashboard. This dashboard is your command center, from where you'll steer through your site's pages and make changes. Now, whether you're creating something fresh or tweaking an existing page, the process kicks off here. Navigate over to the Pages section. You'll find this in the sidebar on your left. Once you're there, you have a choice. You can click on Add New if you're starting from scratch, or select an existing page that you want to edit. After deciding what you'd like to work on, the next step is to fire up Elementor, which is like your toolkit for crafting stylish and responsive web pages. To do this, simply click on the Edit with Elementor button. This will launch the Elementor editor, where all the design magic happens. Now that you're in the Elementor editor, your next task is to tap into the Elementor template library. This library is your resource for pre-designed templates and is accessible right from the editor. Look toward the canvas, where your blank page or existing content appears. There, you'll notice a small folder icon labeled Add Template. Give this a click, and presto, you're now inside the template library. Here's where you'll get to pick your template. The library is organized into neat categories such as blocks, pages, and My Templates. Each serves a unique purpose. Blocks are like building blocks for your page, including various single sections like a hero section, feature highlights, or a contact form. Pages, on the other hand, offer full page layouts, all set to drop right into place. And then there are My Templates, which is where your personal saved designs reside, ready for reuse. Deciding which template to go with can be a bit like flipping through a photo album, each template offering a snapshot of potential design. If you're unsure and want a closer look before committing, you can preview any template. Simply click on its thumbnail and you'll be presented with an option to preview. Once you're happy with what you see, go ahead and click Insert. With your template chosen, it's time to incorporate it into your page. Hover over the template you've settled on within the library. You'll see an Insert button appear. Click it and watch as Elementor seamlessly loads this chosen template into your current page. This insertion process is typically quick and lands the pre-designed elements right where you want them on your canvas. So, there you have it. In a few simple steps, you've added a new structure and design to your WordPress page using Elementor templates. It'll give your page a professional and cohesive look without having to design from square one. Now, you're all set to customize and tweak further, bringing your unique vision to life. Happy designing!